Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here, for joining our video today. If you're new, hello, my name is Sandra. Welcome to my channel. So I was experimenting some outfits for the festive season. So these are festive outfits, so that I can choose two to bring with me to spend my Christmas time with my family. And so I thought, why not share these outfits with you all that you can also use as inspiration. Even so, because the majority of the pieces that I'm styling today are still available in stores, and so I will leave the links to all these pieces in the description box below. So I just want you to help me choose two outfits, one for the Christmas evening and one for the Christmas day. Without further ado, let's jump into the outfits. That's all I have for you today. I hope you could find some inspiration in these outfit ideas. I'm sure you all have similar pieces in your own wardrobes so that you can use to recreate these outfits. If not, you have the links to these pieces in the description box below. So help me choose two. This one with silver accessories that I'm wearing right now with these foil denim jeans, and the H&M top are one of my favorites for the Christmas evening. And for the Christmas day, my favorite is the pajama set by Cezanne. I think it's beautiful and it's incredibly comfortable to be around the table with our families, eating our meals, enjoying conversation. Being comfortable is one of my premises. So you just know what are my two favorites. Now, please vote your two favorites, one for the Christmas evening and one for the Christmas day. because I love to hear from you all. And if you have any other questions, you can always ask me. And so, thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.